Are AI agents the beginning of the end for human employment? The notion that machines can think and act like humans has been a staple of science fiction for decades. But what if I told you that it's not just a fantasy anymore? AI agents are being used in industries such as customer service, bookkeeping, and even healthcare, leaving many to wonder if humans will soon be obsolete. The answer lies in the numbers. According to a recent study, AI agents have already replaced over 10% of human workers in the United States alone, and this number is expected to rise exponentially in the coming years. But is this a bad thing? Or is it an opportunity for humans to focus on more creative and strategic tasks?
The question on everyone's mind is, what happens to the human workforce when AI agents take over? Will we see a mass exodus of humans from the workforce, or will we adapt to this new reality? The answer lies in the way we approach this transition. Rather than viewing AI agents as a threat, we should be looking at them as a tool to augment human capabilities. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI agents, we can create a more efficient and effective workforce. For example, AI agents can handle routine tasks such as data entry and bookkeeping, freeing up humans to focus on higher-level tasks such as strategy and problem-solving.
But what about the potential downsides of AI agents? Won't they lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest? The answer is yes, but not necessarily in the way you think. While it's true that AI agents may replace some human jobs, they will also create new ones. In fact, a recent report predicts that AI agents will create over 100 new jobs in the next decade alone. These jobs will be focused on areas such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance, as well as human-AI collaboration. By embracing this new reality, we can create a future where humans and AI agents work together in harmony, rather than competing for the same jobs.
So, what does the future hold for human employment in the era of AI agents? Will we see a return to the factory floor, where humans are relegated to menial tasks, or will we rise above this and create a new era of human-AI collaboration? The answer lies in our ability to adapt and evolve. By embracing AI agents as a tool, rather than a threat, we can create a brighter future for all. One where humans and AI agents work together to drive innovation, creativity, and progress. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The age of AI agents is upon us, and it's time to adapt.
So, what can you do to prepare for this new reality? First and foremost, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI technology. This means keeping an eye on industry trends, attending conferences, and engaging with thought leaders in the field. Secondly, it's crucial to develop skills that are complementary to AI agents. This means focusing on areas such as creativity, strategy, and problem-solving, which are difficult for machines to replicate. Finally, it's essential to be open-minded and adaptable. The future of work is uncertain, and it's up to us to create a new era of human-AI collaboration. By doing so, we can create a brighter future for all.
In conclusion, the rise of AI agents is a double-edged sword. While they may replace some human jobs, they will also create new ones. By embracing this new reality, we can create a future where humans and AI agents work together in harmony. So what are you waiting for? Join the conversation and let's shape the future of work together. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on AI, technology, and the future of work. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest developments in this rapidly evolving field.